Hey guys, so I'm up close and personal today. I'm going to be tinting my brows for the first time. So a mini backstory, I guess, of this product. I'm using the Tint My Brows gel from Etude House. Well, I guess a mini backstory of why I'm doing this. So I watch a lot of HSN and QVC, and I was watching HSN and they were just talking about K-Beauty. I think it was about K-Beauty, and they used a brow tint, and I thought it was pretty cool. Like, the idea was pretty cool. I mean, of course I've heard of tinting your brows before, but the way they were talking about it just seemed like something I would want to try. And then of course the price was on the screen and I just wasn't gonna pay $20 for it. So I went on Amazon and I found this one from Etude House. And this one seems to be similar to what they had on the show. Now on Amazon, they have 3.5 stars, so really not good. But 1,167 customer reviews, and I saw before and after pictures from customers and they seemed like it worked. So I decided I wanted to try it out. Now some of the bad reviews was that they couldn't get it to work. Someone said horrible, comes right off if you sweat or get water in brows, and it smells really bad. Someone else said theirs looked like it was open. Yeah, they didn't like it. Mine doesn't look like it's open. This is what it looks like, and I need to read the directions before I put this on. Okay, so directions 1. After trimming the eyebrows without applying skincare product or makeup, apply a liberal amount according to the desired shape of the eyebrow. I do have a little bit of product on my brow, so I'm just going to take some alcohol. Hopefully this doesn't mess me up. Spray it on my tissue and just kind of rub on my brows to get the moisturizer off. So now I'm going to apply the product how I want it. And the main reason why I bought this is because I want to try it to see if it works, because my mom only really cares about her brows. So I was thinking if this works, I could do this for her. So far the smell isn't bad. Someone said it smells bad. I guess the hardest thing would be to get them even. I'm smelling it a little bit more now, but it almost smells like a salon, like a hair salon. Okay, so what I'm going to do is get a little Q-tip. Now they look a little bit more even. This stuff looks so scary. It says dry for at least 2 hours. For stronger coloration, apply before going to bed at night and remove the next morning. I'm just gonna leave it on for 2 hours because this is my first time. I'm not gonna do the overnight thing, just no. We're gonna wait 2 hours. It's currently 6:50. At almost 9 o'clock, I'll come back and we'll peel them off. So I was just leaning on my face. That's what this mark is from over here. But anyway, so I'm about to take these off. They are dry. And I will say that, yeah, they're dry. They're not coming off on my fingers at all. The smell got stronger after I was done applying it. It seemed like my nose got used to it, but it's gone now. Maybe I could still smell it probably 20 to 30 minutes after I applied it. And it was pretty strong. I wouldn't say the smell is horrible, but it was strong. Okay, after drying, completely remove slowly, starting from the head of the eyebrow. Do not remove the pack. Do not remove it forcibly since it may pull out the eyebrow. And then it says do not use a cleansing product or apply force on the eyebrow area within 24 hours of using the product. So let's see. So I can already kind of see. Oh my God, that is so dark. Oh. That's like just as dark as the product. Maybe I'm just not used to it, but that's dark to me. Especially in the front. What do y'all think? Like, it looks way too harsh in the front to me. I don't know if that's my fault. That probably is my fault. I may have applied too much in the front. Okay, let's do this side. It comes off really easily. I'm not quite sure. I don't think it pulled off any of my eyebrow hairs. It's kind of hard to see on this, but I don't think I see any hairs on the actual gel. I did not expect it to be like this. I got this in the shade gray brown, by the way. I mean, it blends in really well to my actual hair, but this looks so dark to me. I don't know. Let me see. How long does this last? Okay, it says about how long does it last. Someone asked, and then someone else said it can last up to 2 to 4 days. When you wash your face, it fades just a little bit. Just don't scrub it. And they said, in my opinion, the more it fades, the better and more natural it looks. So hopefully that happens with me. You guys will see in my makeup tutorials how it looks like if it's fading a little bit. So check back in the next video and the video after that. You guys may still see it. Yeah, this is how I tinted my brows. This product was only $9 and it was free shipping. And if you have Amazon Prime, it gets here really quick. You could keep it on a less amount of time to get a lighter end result. Make sure that you like this video and subscribe before you leave, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.